Mongwe, Felicia, welcome on board. As you come, you share. When you come, you hit the share button. When you come, you share. Marinette, welcome. Gary Huzu, welcome. When you come, you hit the share button. Okay. We will start the show proper so that might not keep on a time waiting, but share as you can, you share. We'll get plenty of things that we'll talk today as far as our revolution be concerned. We go start with the visit of Atanganji. Before I want to talk of the visit of Atanganji, once more, fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, good evening, wherever we are. The Kingdom of Belgium here na evening 4 p.m. Past 4 p.m. Amber time. I think say our time zone don't change. We almost get the same time with ground zero. So our time zone change. I think last Sunday. We get the same time now with ground zero. So I want to appreciate every man who support this struggle positively. Every man who a corner, and you see say more reach Boya in the fast possible means. We see say any construct will reach Boya very fast. You fight them. I want to say kudu. I want to appreciate, especially people that they send their hand deeply into their pocket. For support our restoration forces, for support our refugees in Nigeria, for support our prisoners in Kondenge, in the dungeons of La Republique, and for support our internally displaced person. I want to say, we cafe the up, we keep on the good work of Ambazonian, our independent, be sure, our independent, no nothing with the doubts. The money where we have the sacrifice, will go in vain because we must succeed with the way we fight for. Because we don't fight for quite number 4 years. We not say First World War. There be fight First World War now 4 years, and we think say our own war to don't fight for 4 years. Resolution it will come. We think say and we know say after 4 years we don't be resist. We don't resist the occupier for 4 years. They don't get a breathing space. But that one no will make we keep on to relate our effort, not for sacrifice. We will buy more arms. We need more arms and we need economic sabotage. And the only thing that will beat the occupier. And the only thing that will make the Republic go down on your knees. We go see now. We go see the handwriting be written on the wall. We will see how we will already defeat La Republique, but La Republique no come outside now, can't tell, we say, they be sorry, we don't defeat them. So they get games the way they will start play the games them, and that games them now we the one use we will play that games them well for them so that they will rest, so that they will sponsor only we will play the catway the one player, then they will define way now for rest. But we don't tell them say even though we get small differences, that differences all we will march towards Boya, all we will sing the anthem of Ambazonian, all we will hold the flag of Ambazonian, all we will respect the Amba Peace Plan, all we will not say we get 13 county for Ambazonian. So despite the fact say we get differences of opinion on how to go to Boya, some man think say Nadi road, some man think say Nadi road, but all roads it lead you to Boya. All roads it will lead you to Boya. So me that the public not think say they will use divide and rule game where they be use that in those time for our people now to bring their food for our revolution. But we tell them say you don't fail them. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, when you come, you share so that when we start hit. What we will get about today, me go deeply into people's mind. Me, the people, the way they think say this revolution, that's a particular group of people, they coordinator, that's a particular group of people feel sacrifice, and then in the nearest future, all man benefit. One thing I say, it no go work this time around. Once more again, on a good evening, wherever on a day, the people of US, Europe, Asia, Ground Zero, Ground One, Carnegie Prison, internally displaced, una salute una wherever una day. Now we go start for Atanganji visit. Over the past week, we don't the month, our picking the way they kill them for Cape Town for Fiango, for Madame Francisca International Bilingual College for Kumba. With the month, we see the colonial minister of La Republique, where you don't even know who side Kumba belong. He go hold a press conference. He talk say Kumba dey inside Fako division. He talk say Kumba for Fako division. That one he make her stupid this La Republique minister, because he don't know you like a minister and they call it a minister of territorial administration, where he don't know the territory where he the governor. According to you now, he the governor. He don't even know the who side Kumba belong. They say Kumba dey inside Fako division. But that one, Muno will elaborate that one, because this Atanganji of a guy na fe door man. Na fe marry he talk before he reason. But Mu talk why he visit Kumba, and he makes a way he can go back to Yaoundé. Makes a way they give it back to Yaoundé. First, I will appreciate this is the way we take the bold step for challenge Atanganji for a face directly. For challenge for a face where Atanganji be the court Bible where they kill people. That means they use Bible, put that in front, and then they kill people, they quote the Bible. I want them, now the men of God in that way will need them for revolution. Because not be other men of God the way they will go stand, go for altar every day. The priest say, God did this, God do this. We now start for that talk the truth for the people that face. God talk say when you be outspoken. God people, now God people they fear God. Now people they be outspoken, because when you die, you know say when you die, God get a reason why you die, and you fight the battle for God. No stand go back, you go keep talk about Atanganji. That sister talk directly for your face. And then it tells you the message. Go for Pobia, go tell Pobia, say, if them no surrender, God will visit them one by one. Now the men of God in that way they talk. Now the people of God that way, you say they fight the battle of God. Now the people of God that they fight the battle of God, talk the truth. The way they we see another man of God will be arrested. Where he be talk, say God talk, say me host Ambazonian flag. La Republic go arrest him. See, fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, time does come for this revolution where people no fit take am again. Enough is enough. you talk the truth, you not talk the truth, they will kill you. Better you stand for the truth. Yes, better you stand for the truth. Atanganji, Paul, where in the camp for Kumba, in the talk say, na military get right for hold gun, na policeman get right for hold gun, na policeman get right for hold gun, na military get right for hold gun. Then, now this same Atanganji where we tell we, where he talk, I say he go talk am today, tomorrow, and still talk again say there's no Anglophone problem. What he can do for Kumba? Because now one of the people that way they make this matter, they make the matter rise. It be for level way we find ourselves today. Now one of the Southern Cameroonians in that, where they work with slave with La Republic, where they tell we for a France say we not get anything like Anglophone problem. Well, by the way, yes, I feel green. So we not get nothing like Anglophone problem, but we'll get Southern Cameroon issue. We'll get Southern Cameroon problem. Yes, sometimes because when some man go talk and talk, that's why we never interview well. Sometimes he know the difference between Anglophones and Southern Cameroon. Yeah, we not get Anglophone problem, we get a Southern Cameroon problem. From the time of the day of 1961, we start get a problem. This slave master come out Yaoundé, we come with Foboya, we Amoka. You come for Kumba, we Amoka. And then you send a message. Then when I go for Yaoundé, they show me Yaoundé. They say, world end. You know, over the past week, before the massacre of Kumba, what happened? I want to tell you something. Before the massacre of Kumba, what happened? The Minister of Communication for La République, Emmanuel René Sadi, before a press conference, and he took a publicly say world end. World end for Ambazonian. Say everything be normal. You know, make 2 days. They send their genocidal military for kill our Pekin de Kumba. And then I Atanga, you don't be first man for run. Come. Foka condo with who? Foka condo with who? But one tell them say, we not kill our people. As Kumba, incident happen, they kill for Babanki, they burn houses for Bengui. When I see that mommy where he cried, he describe how military come. Burn the house where he see how the military throw petrol. That mommy for that age. Military throw petrol, they burn the house. And you see that mommy become a farm. You see firewood keep away, just come a farm. That mommy no get play for stay. That mommy no get play for stay now. When something happen, some people they be against Ambazonian. They can open their mouth for Facebook. They talk say na Ambazonian terrorists. They do the act. As Atanganji don't give una what? Say we be terrorists. When I use the word them, where Atanganji the gang. Say we be terrorists. Yes, we be terrorists. I want to ask you, I say terrorists. It is not the talk so on Facebook. I want to tell you something. Terrorists, we hide for La Republic. Terrorists, not be hide inside America. You talk for America. You not be hide inside Europe. You can't stand for Europe. You talk. You talk so how you talk so. Then they call you terrorists. But terrorists, if you hide inside Cameroon, because Cameroon system is a poor and corrupt system, because you feel bribe people, but for Europe and America, you know you bribe police. Yes, if you fire away, you bribe La Republic military, but you know you bribe USO police. Terrorists, no be man where they preach peace. Terrorists, no be by the preach negotiation. Terrorists, not be married, he gets a government. Well structured, organized government. We never ever see play terrorists. They come on Facebook for raise fund, do fundraising. The whole world, if you watch the program, how a fundraising they go. That means say automatically the Republic, it tell America say they sponsor terrorism. It tell Europe say they sponsor terrorism because ambassador they be spread over Europe, America, Asia, and the rest. Indirectly, they tell the world they want to sponsor terrorism. And we not them be terrorists. Now tell Atanganji, Paul, and the rest of them on Facebook, it make noise. Say some group of terrorists. Yes, we'll be terrorists. But tomorrow, that name terrorists, we not go find a suitable name, Giwi, and we will still take them. We don't agree for when I say we terrorists. And they talk this one with Facebook users. The one they think say they create Facebook profile can abuse ambassadors, activists. I want to tell you this one. If you know say you be man enough and you be courageous for stand for one and indivisible Cameroon La Republic, no, why you will fear your nation? Why you will fear to stand like a fighter? If you stand like a fighter, stand like a fighter. If you stand like a fighter, stand like a fighter. No, they go for create Facebook. This in La Republic will pay you for that one. La Republic will pay you for that one. Why you give a great Facebook profile, fake profile, can't catch people? Now because you know say the what will you do, you know be just. We will catch our face. We know say what will they do now a just cause when you fight them. If you know say if you fight a just cause where you know say Cameroon are one and you be justified, why you fear yourself to show yourself for Facebook? And they talk the fake profile the way they call themselves they be Saudi Cameroonians. They call themselves why you fear? Oh, okay, you know say tomorrow when these people will get their independence. You will be there against, you show your face. We don't believe say the independent don't ever come. Yes, we not believe say the independent don't ever come. Then why will they fear for showing your face? Why you fear for show your face? Show your face. My country people show your face. The other fake profile they show your face. Tell the ambassador and say, now you this. You know there for independence and you go there for destroy the revolution till you die. Okay, we know say yes. Now you see that tomorrow. Me no say come. The one point you say no. You know be my countryman. You know be you don't know that profile name. So fellow ambassadors and fellow citizens, Atanganji a visit for Kumba. It be come with a lot of disgrace. We now see how they challenge he call himself a minister, a fake minister. But that woman may be courageous enough to challenge the minister of La Republic. And that one they will send a strong message to the rest of the ministers. They will think say they will use because without this ambassador problem, Atanganji no will get that post. And I want to tell ambassador people something. Atanganji day he made them fuel the struggle. Me the struggle not ever see any. Because as far as we keep fighting, it for that position. Because we are not saying that due to this our fighting, it keep it for that position. So Atanganji not ever see say this revolution end. But I want beg my people. I thank my Kumba people for a message. For the God will arrest that woman. Tell you send a message. Me go tell Atanganji say now wait that way they deserve him. Yes, he go with a lot of disgrace. Then this one too will take we now go to our mamide. Our mamide, brothers and sisters, where as they be hear this issue for Kumba, plus what be happen for Gabu, Pinyen, Moyoka, Santa, Pete Bakundu, Bolin, Kata Mautu, Bali. They say enough is enough. We see how our mommy them, our mothers, they go for the streets. Both for the northern and southern zone. They sent a very strong message for La Republic. When La Republic want me to sing with their national anthem, they said no, they get their own national anthem. I want to tell Ambassador people there's something. Especially the one they do diaspora. I want to tell diaspora there's something. When I see the courage when mommy them carry up ground zero. If you win the diaspora will carry this courage, we no cry anymore again. This is they cry where our mommy they cry every day. Every day, every day, every day, every day, every day. They cry where our mommy they cry every day, every day. Now me and you hold the cry. Now me and you for diaspora will stop this cry. I want to tell what people there's something. When I see the determination for ground zero, if when I see the spirit for ground zero, when I know saying that diaspora hold this fight. Now the people of ground zero don't show all signs, indication, and the handwriting being written on the wall. The ground zero don't tell we again say the day we move rise up. Me diaspora rise up as one people. Me diaspora rise up as one people who fight this fight. Ground zero don't show all indication. We see our fighters at demonstration for 1st of October. We don't see what will happen for Kumba. And then we see our mothers at determination for one voice. They stand for one voice. And they don't demonstrate. Don't say no to Amber. No, they don't talk so. But if you see, when you see their reaction, it speaks for itself. If you see our mother, their reaction, you don't need for tell you say me open their mouth say no to La Republic. When I be watch when start with them for Kumba, they be go lock market for Kumba. When our mother they be go for phone in Palace, phone be tell they say me they denounce Ghost Town. They be tell you say they not ever denounce Ghost Town because no that they pass the order for lock Ghost Town. When they see how courageous our mothers, our sisters, our brothers, the way they did for ground zero. They be. What about me and you? Who they diaspora? Which contribution will they contribute? You the one that say when they don't kill for Kumba, you come with social media like cry. Say why the killer innocent sold them. Very soon, tomorrow, they will kill for Moyoka, they will kill for Boya, they will kill for this. When they be kill for Boya, kill 3 innocent souls. We one mother. We cry the whole Facebook. When we cry the whole Facebook, it cold. We leave her. The sticker cause another atrocity again. The sticker cause another atrocity. Ma tell you something. Now me and you, we hold this struggle. Diaspora. We don't cry Kumba and we see more Kumba. What next? We don't cry Kumba. We don't cry Gab. We don't cry now we mourn Kumba. And when I hear say the government, it go around arrest, start them with that school. Arrest parent them when they lost their picking for hide evidence. But the truth, you know, ever hide. The truth no ever hide. My question now, we know the Mount Kumba. Now how would we prepare ourselves for stop the other issue that may not happen? Now how would we prepare ourselves? Because we not only can say stop the killing, stop this. How would we prepare? Because we know the regime for Yaoundé is a fair regime, and the regime not ever surrender. What you would do for suppress the regime and for bring the regime down into their knees? Now only me and you, we will not decide to burn our page, come on Facebook. We not join we behind. We not join we behind. We will fight the regime. We bring the regime down into their knees. Very easy to stop the carnage. They kill our brothers and sisters every day. Some man go to sit down on ambassador. Some man go to sit down on ambassador in the day. When you use that statement, say that on ambassador in the day, you didn't have which side. You didn't have the La Republic. Let me say you support the killing of Kumba. My brothers and sisters, for now, the war don't really be declared on us. It don't really be declared on us. Either you get in or you get out. Either you get with La Republic. When you use a statement, say that on La Republic, that on ambassador team. Some people they can't talk. So when they do on Facebook now, they talk say, when this crisis be start, now teachers and lawyers, they be start the struggle. They don't be know about Ambazonian. They don't be know about Salim Cameroon. I want to ask them say when teachers and lawyers be start the struggle, what did happen? Ask yourself say that day if you be there present when you go march because it's teachers and lawyers, they be called for 22nd of October saying all my rights. When you go march. After you march for that day, what did happen? How we find ourselves for this situation? Now, ambassador BP weapon no peaceful protests, illiteracy, arresting of the leaders away, the teachers leaders in. What did happen with that teachers, that consulting leaders in? When they be advocate for change, when they be advocate just for change, what will happen with them? God will hear that cry. No, be God will be arrest them. So when to make una think say na peaceful protest, it will end the regime for Yaoundé. The regime for Yaoundé the year na only gone. Yes. And na only gone, you don't bring the regime. They accept. Say we'll get a problem. Without gone, the regime for Yaoundé will go down on his knees. And na only me and you for support. Buy more weapons and economic sabotage will bring the regime down for your knees. When we receive that play the call, sometimes play the call, the regime of Yaoundé, the next time they say the war don't end. Because wait, they don't hear when they don't hear sound for gun, they don't believe say war day. So me and you, now we will hold this fight, the diaspora. Either you didn't have to side Dubai, any contribution it matters. We have various countries where we now find ourselves. Now tell this for we for rise up as one people tell the Republic say enough is enough. Ma tell you now when they kill for Gambu, we be think say Gambu now right inside interior village. Sometimes the Republic will do that act for Gambu because people no go see am. We be think so that some people be talk. So when they say Gambu no na one side. If Gambu no na one side, they say na for inside of village. They say sometimes the Amber boys don't go for the Republic, go there, go attack Amber boys because they live inside bush. What you have for Kumba? Kumba no be bush. Kumba na town. What next? Limbe, I mean Victoria, you be safe. Boya be safe. Victoria and Boya will not be safe. We will not be safe. We get to join hands together. We fight this barbaric regime. Now only me and you will kill the regime down into his knees. Now only me and you. Ma tell you something. We don't know. We think that this war, now war where La Republic of Congo they don't declare winning. If we don't do our things. Now say we know we come for Facebook, can give our successes, how the revolution they go. Maybe some of them for back when I think the revolution they fail. But we were the inside the revolution. We don't record more than 65% success. And we know how the revolution will go. And we know where we will go. Ma tell you something. International body, when this issue happened for Kumba, international body, no one never blame Ambazonian. No one international body never blame Ambazonian. They blame La Republic. So if the international body they blame La Republic, you Ambazonian person, you can't stand blame Ambazonian. And you see some girl there for Belgium, he run him up for Facebook. He run him up for Facebook. Now that kind of people want them. We want people the way you can show your face. You just now you this, you there against Ambazonian. You be Ambazonian, born Ambazonian, you there against Ambazonian. Then we know now that kind of people want them. So that we know say you don't enter the black book. With the black book there. When we see La Republic, then the activism, they start acting Salina, they call the anti-Salina. They don't start there to talk about our struggle now because we don't push La Republic to the wall. We don't push La Republic. You see, even them now, they're artists. Why artists they come now? We were teaching the revolution of faith. As I say, why the artists they come now start talk? Now because they be go lie low. As I be say, they be called as extremists. After extremists, are calling terrorists. After terrorists, you know who give the name? They call separatist fighters. They say separatist fighters. Yes, they call the separatist fighters. Then they call I can't call that name terrorists. Why? They don't see our resistance. We don't resist La Republic for long. And now who they resist? Now only few Ambazonians. Only few Ambazonians, they don't put La Republic into their knees. Then just ask yourself, say, if all Ambazonians come for board, if all we come for board, because if the few Ambazonians dead now, they don't put La Republic into their knees, then what of all we join hands together, even 10 euros every month, 10 euros. You know, we short people anything, we sell La Republic. We beat them to hell. We beat them to hell. 10 euro. Just calculation, if we choose me that 3 million people sponsor the war, 10 euro per month, how many millions? My brothers and sisters. This war, we don't succeed. All the social media that they call Ambazonian. When this team starts, you know we call Ambazonian. They name Ambazonian for any TV for La Republic. But now, the big board for call Ambazonian, they are calling we Ambazonians, the separatists. And people, they talk vocal now. Now, because they don't see the sign. The sign, they don't be clean. The sign, they don't be open. People don't see the sign of victory. You know, say when something happens, some people they be quiet. They observe on a movement, they observe. When they start see opening, they start see sign of victory. Now they all manner they come on board. All manner they come on board. When the act is all man and they are Anglophone crisis and they see a sign of victory. Ma tell you now, any man sleep or back, you will never enter the train, the moving train. People, strangers, them don't start to see our sign of victory. Now we see the other any man watch my post. We see the grandma where La Republic terrorists. That man il tombe meta. Some way of meta. La République de camp. They come with a house. If you will be sleep, they say it be amber. If you say no, it no be amber. They say it be amber. If you say no, it no be amber. Now they start interrogate the man. The man say he don't know, he know nothing. He say ici la République take petrol. Throw for house, throw. Light fire for that house where that mama this year. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, after we don't see the camp de Chokumba, La République, the same time, simultaneously, they do the same thing for this village. For Benue. I think that video coming out of Benue because that mean Benue. I want to tell some people there's something. When I listen to me, listen good. This La République, I want to tell you La République, their game, it don't over. La République, their game don't over because we will not be used to. All that strategy don't fail. La République, their game of burning our houses every day, it don't really fail them. But I did talk this one, I talk am again. Now me and you, we hold the knife and the yam for feeding this struggle, the diaspora. Ground Zero, be courageous enough to stand with we. Ground Zero, be courageous enough to stand with we. But we, the diaspora, what will they do? You see that mommy in the pony house? Now, oh, mommy, sometimes I see master don't die. They don't even care. They burn the house. And if you see that set really good, they will join in into that house. See, I want to talk when we talk this thing, so we talk with evidence. So that tomorrow, because this thing will end tomorrow, war crime the day, La République will go down on his knees. I will get enough evidence for proof that their atrocity they commit about Ambassador. That one I like testimony. Any man will be teaching La République the born narcissists. When I listen that mommy talk for a front, they born the ass for a front. And the worst of all, the Amber Boys, our resolution fighters, 75% or 90% of them not even be house. They never have a be house. Now has a way part in billion. You the born house way, marry the fight. You never be the house. You the born grandma the house. And when you the fighter, you get the military man, you get a family. But I give them warning. We never declare war for La République. Ambassador never declare war for La République within our self-defense. We, ambassador, never declare war for La République. Now, by the way, when some people they run their mob for Facebook, so why do we pick us arm? When the armed conflict is solve problem, this. We never ever declare war with La République. La République declare war. We there for self-defense. When they were ambassador, they will talk say, okay, now the interim government stand for media. He said today, they declare full-blown war with La République. Some of we will do on Facebook, we can't talk again. Because the carnage, it go plenty. People go die plenty. Now, why that we never declare war with La République? We never declare war we don't have self-defense and to protect our people. The interim government never declare war for La République. La République declare war on us and we do for self-defense. Now I will go to my message for activists. I want to do this one for mostly activists. of this revolution, where the fighter, I want to appreciate the work of all the activists. The one that they write and write, the one that they come talk and talk, any domain where they do them for support this our movement. I appreciate because it's not easy. Some of we, I know if people come now for Facebook because we get plenty things to do. But I think say when you get a message of pass on your people, because plenty people don't go work now, plenty people don't work. But also more time I fit tifam. I talk to our people because sometimes when they come back, I tell them I don't get chance. I want to appreciate all the activists. They are great work what they do for this revolution. Say, kudu, but I want advice, more advice. If you advise more, you try and take me. When we get a problem, it's a has internal problem. Not because the activists, not the talk with the activists, they also activists do something. Now for social media, you can go. And what thing you want to activists? We get away to a war propaganda. In any war, except say the activists, they want to tell me say we need to fight war with the Republic. La Republic, they bring war propaganda every day. They stand with the media, talk about they don't kill 15 amber, they don't seize weapons. They go take all images. They bring them. Focusing on recent attack. When they kill General Ayeke, they will bring them, demonstrate our Kumba. And they will bring propaganda. How they will kill more souls. How they will kill more fighters. For demoralize the other fighters. But when we, the activists, if you will get your own way, when we do your own propaganda, you do it. I want to tell you something. When you do propaganda, your enemy the fear. When you do propaganda, correct one, your enemy the fear. I want to tell you a small example. When I see when General No Pity, when they go to battlefront, when after the attack on that battlefront, it become for media. God talk say, how they call this commander name? He don't kill him. He don't kill him. The commander ability, he can respond for General No Pity. And we don't know that say he is alive. And they start to identify war. You have to know your enemy weakness. When activists they come for media, can't talk anything about La Republique. You, the other activists, be quiet. No can castigate the other activists. They bring evidence them. Was showing a lie. You define you now. You don't fight La Republique anymore. You give more credit to La Republique. If I come today, I say breaking news. Chambali po, when a Chambali weti. You don't sleep student in Wokumba. That one, na propaganda. And you work in the benefit of Ambassador. Then when you come, you activists, you come again, another activist will come, to say, na lie. You work with you now. Because for me, I believe say, all we, irrespective of our differences, we work towards Boya, we sing the same anthem, we hold the same flag, we respect all the 13 counties. When a situation like what we have in Wokumba, I don't think so activists become point that for saying that the act, that the man be doing. All we know our focus. We know so we fight one common enemy when La Republique. And if some man come for Facebook, can bring evidence when they show say that La Republique do the act. If you know more, be quiet. You not be lawyer. You not be lawyer. You never call like a court where you will stand like a judge. You will start give evidence. So they na lie. You be in silence. It work for your favor. It work for your favor. You feel fight activists now when it destroy the image of the revolution you fight it. But when it portray the image of the revolution, stay quiet. Now just my advice that the way I look at. That the way I look at. If you actively do to it, be positive. Because I used to ask myself, when you coach the man, coach the man, what will the way forward now? The way forward I coach. Because if I come my platform today, I coach the man can't today coach me. Then now how will it help ground zero? Now how now will it help ground zero? I don't come today, I coach you. You come there, also coach me. Then military, then they kill our people. No man they will create international awareness for say military they kill our people for Kuma. Because of that, we don't lose focus. Now the coach. The military they look at that, they laugh we go for Babanki, go kill people. He say after all, the activists they do for Facebook, you know, first year. So man will even take two. Fight at the ground zero or people of ground zero they send we information daily. For what you have for ground zero move top. But now you will hold a story, you know, can't take ambassador people. Wait when you have for ground zero, you hold now another activist his story, you can't talk, you coach, and then how we help the revolution. How we help the revolution. Because it's high time where we, the activists, we start focus. Plenty for ground zero, then we start to do, we get to preach, mostly for ground zero. Preach for ground zero. Ground zero, boys in the way they kidnap ransom. They do bad atrocities. Fake boys, what do they do? We get what kind of media castigate all those things. But we lose focus. Any activist where in the court, but because I don't see anything where they do for the revolution, it get an end. It will get an end. But tomorrow, we know the revolution will end. And we will shake hands. For all we will shake hands and say, bro, congrats. Me not be said tomorrow, revolution end. You start see another man, you turn your face one side. That one my message I say my gear for activists. Okay. The last issue for the day now this Scott Johnson of a man about to go, fellow ambassadors and fellow citizens. Batibo LGA. Before I want to start this Scott issue, I used to just come for media, talk about Scott. Someone said, but wait till you go on. Wait till you go on. I want to tell ambassador people today. Say, me for one, any place where the leader, where they for that place, is the one act like a dictator and the chief for that place. Any place where I dey, the person who act say, we die. No man of day, I leave that place. I want to tell this one for Scott Johnson. Me no bite than if it chew. I want to tell ambassador people something where we don't know. Mogamo LGA now one of the I don't work out LGA, but now one of the best LGA that way I don't see her because the real politics it didn't inside house. The real when I hear say the real politics. Do I see politics of social media? It didn't inside house. Now inside house. I enjoy the way the politics go. If you want to start politics, start inside house. Start inside house. I want to tell this story with Sikon Johnson. This might be Finland. You know the core fighters, commando, be loyal to you. Say me the whole meeting, they give motion of support. For say me now, do it. Me now coordinate the whole draft. We get the video, it is aside. It is the audio. I mean, una year. Sikon Johnson with that video, and the 10 fighters. They have me the whole general meeting. Say, una year, they have man the plan the killings of fighters. I don't talk for this Facebook for my platform. Say when I see fighters they die, diaspora the hand day. When I see prominent fighters they die, diaspora the hand day. When I see where to eat up fighters, say they don't fight in the past 3 years. Now they don't go organize money, they won't draft money, they don't want to look them. Bam, in fighting. Now at that point, we not done the fight for 3 years. And now, the money we won't draft, you don't organize them, you don't raise them, they don't want to look into now. Now here with your diaspora, it is 10 fighter. Which means say, if they talk say, if they don't want to give another money, they give another fighter. So that money attack that fighter. Now back the point as first point that the ego talk say, me the fighter the whole meeting, give power of support, me can control that LGA with that money. If that fighter they give that support, then the people of LG they don't agree me to that leadership. He will form his own militias. He say yes, he can go form militia with Grand Zero. Oh my God! I see what really happen. I want to tell Amazonian people, Sikon Johnson. I want to see. I want to talk. Me Amazonian people know very well, and me commando. If this message will reach. Commando. I want to tell Amazonian people they want one thing. When this world draft it starts, when a member, any mighty member, commando be send some video for aside. We say it denounce and dissolve the leadership where the organizer will raise the fund. The world draft, and he endorsed Sikon Johnson in government. Sikon Johnson in government be there against world draft. Sikon Johnson there with a group where they Europe they there against world draft. So automatically, Commando and Sikon they be there against world draft. But when I be sent a strong message. We tell you say, he is like normal fighter for inside Mugamu. No man will disturb the peace of thousands of Mugamu. Mugamu get 22 villages. No dog. No one man will control Mugamu. Can't talk about Mugamu people. When that's what we fight. When I remember, when I will be there Facebook, me, Ganamov, we did Wizzy, we did Nana Napoleon. Now we the prominent activists and that way we come. Well, they every day on this Facebook, we talk about world draft. Every my ring. We did talk about world draft. Sikon, their own group. They deny say they need the draft. And they talk say their own group, they not did them for internet government. They now the Konege group. And now we bear with me. Now what commando is for 1st of October, now we know it stand. We talk this one say we segregate fighter, we need segregate fighter. Any fighter will be loyal under the interim government and respect the Amber Peace Plan, we will support it 100%. I mean, where you go take command from the central command, where you go respect the Amber Peace Plan, we go. I always tell you, I say, Muamo LGA get one of the biggest fund. The money they lock up, suck. But the money not there in the trap of bush. When I remember Commando, ever the history of Momo, so they start fight with 3 years. Did they ever give you 3 million 5 feeding for celebration of 1st of October? No. Now world draft game. Which side the money where secret their group they be organized? Why they not send the money for 1st of October? They don't send that. We will send them the world draft. I want to tell you the world draft send that money. When I tell secret, say the militia you want for man. It's small. He not fit for militia. He not fit for militia. Secret Johnson, you not contribute for world draft. You did against world draft. You know they were the beginning. What it be your aim for control the money? For take again connect IG, you know? Ma tell you something about Nigerian people. Why when you see and they were talk this world draft, so man will talk say what be my interest, point of interest, because say when this world draft fail, some of we will not come for Facebook again. Can talk about world draft. When I see how we don't protect the interest of this world draft, because we know say next year, another world draft will come. Some people want to make the world draft fail by all costs, but we not feel it. That one good. All will die. That one thing all will die. The world draft money, now millions. The one money, millions upon millions, and we will use them deliciously, and we will use them according to the Amber Peace Plan. Any fighter from Muamo, una hear me? Any fighter from Muamo, where they under the interim government, you respect the Amber Peace Plan, you get equal share of that. We not there for say some fighter now he get this share, did this. We take all fighters as equal, as we respect the Amber Peace Plan. That money. Now, more people their money, not that one man contribute that money, and some fighter not going to chop a bigger share for that money pass another fighter. That money, that the whole community, is that community, na community money, na government money, all man get equal rights as far as the Muamo LGA be concerned. All the fighters they get equal rights. All the fighters from Muamo they get equal rights. You get rights. If you will fight, you don't get your own chop. They share chop. They share money, no reach you. You give for complain. Equally as the other fighter then. Now, the fact is that way there. But I tell Sikot, say if the boy beans, we can do. Sikot don't say the boy beans, we can do. Now I tell you, say the boy beans, we can do. May concentrate for Europe. Why would they concentrate for LGA? May concentrate for Europe. If you play all mathematics, you draft all mathematics, you do all things. But it don't come into the rock, Napoleon, Wizzy, me, Ghana Mofi, we were there, the activists. No matter who the control. Have you talked to Marcel O'Day? We're not the inside executive. All we should know inside will be communication team where we observe anything, any step. When you take them, we observe all the steps and we talk with the. We don't need position. We don't need position. And you know take the position. No, we Napoleon, or we know no man will take position, but you know what take the position. There are people that they do the work perfectly. They will do it. When election reach, they do election. You will not fit, go out. And secondly, they want to play some game.
When I hear some rumor, they say fast election. Ye be who? Ye the secret. You know they for the LGA. They call for election. For say me the electee like defense. Waiting for grand zone. Me take. We don't talk say. Me it take a portion where you are control for Europe. Do it you want do. We know the touch fighter. No fighter need touch fighter. You decide you want cut your own portion. You say nari one village. Now you get the fighter. The fight good and fine. But one point we will tell you and say no touch no civilians. We no one year they catch any civilians for ransom taking because by the time when you start to take fighters, you know if you feed that fighters, we no one year they catch any basketball man for ransom taking. We no one year they catch any basketball man for ransom taking, and very soon, I tell you, una will see the impact for the world draft come soon. The impact of the world draft for Muhammad will come very soon. It will expose, and it will expose the basketball people that will see their face back. I want to tell my people that will basketball. Rambo button yet? Yes. I'm more but button yet. Yes. But button yet. What draft will need to organize? Maybe bad. Maybe the impact. Yes. The Kerega Mbame Garantina Betera Bobotin yet. Yes. So not small message that why I see my people. So me they calm down themselves. They will smile. The basketball people they will smile. So now the small take their way I see my difficult. More of the plan they come after they come they expose more of the plan they get a click. They get a click where they don't hold that click. But that click is small. How many of the day? Me they come inside forum, they see how many participants inside forum, how many people they draft, how many people don't pay, they don't pay. You know they have cheap trap. How much at them they be there for leadership before I dismiss them. Vote of no confidence. Embezzle. We go take money from Bandam. 5 million. We not get against corruption and bribing. Now you know when they come out, we wrong with the republic because of corruption and bribing. Now go take money on Bandam. Now go take money on Bandam. They will still can maintain again. So that we go take another for Rose Acha. The leader at the table, the leadership was sick on the if you need the go take money for Rose Acha, that minister, we say meeting the work smoothly for Batibo, meeting the work smoothly. We say meeting the work smoothly. So, fellow Amazonians, now the small message I say I get them today to talk with you now because I don't be prepare the show. I don't be prepare the show for today, but as so until just say I talk to my people, wait till they go on for the moment. Now I say I bring this small package now. Now stay blessed wherever una dey. Keep on sharing so that if you reach for the secret commando and all the rest, thank you very much.